Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am back to set up a week in my work planner, which is a DIY planner. I use inserts that are available to Scrapcraftastic Elite patrons over on Patreon if you want to check that out. I'm still in the process of setting this up. It is an ongoing process, but I will be using these April inserts. They come with the monthly calendar in front and then the weeklies in the back section. I missed the week of the 4th through the 10th, and I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to keep it moving and go on to the week of the 11th through the 17th, with the 17th being Easter Sunday. I don't specifically have a plan of what I'm going to do. I'm going to try and pull some things from these sticker books that I have in my stash. This is the seasonal. These are the first three are Happy Planner books. This is the seasonal. It was a wrong edition, and it came out in 2018. And this is what it looks like. Then I have Simply Lovely. It came out in 2018. And then this is seasonal. This is one of the ones a few months back that was popping up in Dollar Tree stores. This one came out in 2016. This is my original book though, so it's pretty well used as far as it goes with me and Happy Planner sticker books. I think it's pretty well used. So there's that. Then I have the floral boxes from CHELA Plan and Roy G. Biv boxes and florals by CHELA Plan. This is the first book. There is a second version. I may pull a little something from those. And then I'll decide what washi tape I want to use once I start building the layout. Now I do want to use, I don't want to use those bunnies. I just don't like them. But I was thinking I could use the egg. I only have one egg left. And maybe some of the florals from this page. Maybe if I can find a doll that I want to use, that can be my inspiration. I think I might use her. Okay. So we got Fabulously Creative for the win. The beginnings of my colors that I'm going to use. So that's that. Then from there I can pull my washi. This is kind of how I do. I usually do this before I actually sit down, but I just wanted to go ahead and get this done. So I started before I had all my pieces together. I have some stuff here on my desk that might be interesting. This is one of the washis that came. I think I'm gonna use this. This is one of the washis that I received in that giant Happy Mail washi bundle from Yolanda. So let's try and play with this one. Let's see, do I have any others up here? Alrighty, so I have these. I think this is the one I want to use. This is the Pastel Paisley from Simply Gilded, and I think those are going to work great together. So we're doing the pink and green, and I think I've done that recently, but it doesn't really matter. So that means I would have to use pinks. Oh, there's some green in here that I can use. Okay, so that works. I'm not sure I'll be able to get any use out of the wrong. These books seem like a really good idea at the time, but I have not really used them much. So since I know what washi I'm using, I can go ahead and place that down. I think I want to go with the darker pink. Or the lighter pink. Maybe, let's do the lighter pink. I've used the darker one. Let's see what it looks like. And I think I'm going to put it at the bottom. Let's get the washi graveyard. So let's see where we're gonna put the bigger stickers. I'm thinking of putting her here and then putting one of these over here, but probably one of these. I kind of want to put her here, but then she'll be covering up the date. So I'm going to hold off on her for a moment until I decide what else is going on here. Let's see what we can do with that. Now that I'm looking at these, I'm not so sure that they're a good match, but we'll play around with it a little bit. So I think I'm going to play with this here. Then let's see what I can pull out of this one. Not feeling that egg. So we're gonna have to use the yellow egg. Oh, there's a bunny that I can live with. All right, I think that's it for that. Let's go to CHELA plan. See if she can help us out here. Let's check out the boxes first. Are there any pastel-like boxes in here? Probably not. And with this washi tape down, it's more of a yellow green than actually like a lime green. I think we can get away with these. Let's get back in here. That doesn't look good like that because you can see the greenery under there. Ooh, and it's ripping the sticker. Put it like that, and then maybe I can find something that says Easter to put over it. A nice clear sticker. Not feeling it at all, but let's keep going. I think I'm gonna go ahead and commit to using her. I think I'll go with these florals and go ahead and start pulling this layout together. So I think this greenery, that's the thing with the Happy Planner stickers. They just don't go with other things very well. I don't think this greenery is a good match here. I have not looked at the newer Happy Planner stickers, but these older ones, they are too juvenile. That's the word. And I was trying to save this, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to. So, sticker graveyard. Tore off my box right there. But that's okay. We're gonna repair it with this. That's a little strange, but I had to repair that area. And I feel weird putting the flowers in place of her body, but I think that's it for the flowers. Okay, so that was a struggle, but let's see what else we can get going here. Let's see if anything in Dated Basics. think this one has the holidays in it. No, yes it does. So let's use, which Easter do I want to use? Let's use this one. Let's see what it looks like. That is Dated Basics by CHELA Plan. So I'm going to use a this week sticker. I'm almost running out of these because I've been using them a lot. But I just like that bold, big look. It already has to do on here. So I'm going to use a today. Let's put it for Tuesday. And one on Thursday, Friday area. Should I do that? I think I will. And let's call that good. I did go ahead and do the laminated covers for some of my DIY disc bound storage. I decided to combine the dates and scripts since it wasn't a lot. So I put the dates cover on the front and the scripts cover on the back. Okay, so I think that helped it. I probably should have used the Black Easter now that I'm looking at this. And let's see if we can still do it. Okay, so Easter in black goes down here because it balances everything else off. That looks much better. I think we are good. Let's pop this in. So this is one of the clear page marks that we made recently, the one with the tab on the top. If you want to see how to make yourself one, this is what it looks like. If you want to see how to make this, I will put the link in the iCard up above. But that is it for this weekly setup. This is the 11th through the 17th of April 2022. I used Happy Mail washi tape that I received from Yolanda, the spring pastel paisley washi from Simply Gilded. The two dolls are from Fabulously Creative. And then I used some florals and a couple of boxes from CHELA Plan and a few boxes from the Happy Planner, as well as the bunny sticker and the egg. Those are from the Happy Planner, and the inserts are available to patron elites over on the Scrapcraftastic Patreon at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic. And I think that covers everything. The today and this week stickers are also available to patrons. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.